is a quote from them. Children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, and they are the future of the nations and the citizens of tomorrow. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Khushi Gupta and today I am presenting the role of Iron Lady of India, Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi. I strongly believe in women empowerment. I can show the entire world what a woman is capable of. I can proudly say that I could serve the nation till my last breath. If I died in the service of the nation, I would be proud of it. Every drop of my blood will contribute to the growth of this nation and make it dynamic. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Not involved only winning.
Good morning everyone. Myself Kritika Dar of class 11th. Today I am here to play the role of Sarojini Naidu. In Hyderabad, India on February 13, 1879 to a Bengali family. She began writing poems at a young age. She went on to study at both King's College and Girton, Cambridge for her higher education. During her childhood days, not many Indian families supported their daughters participating in the protest for independence, but Sarojini Naidu's family had always held progressive beliefs. As a result, she grew up believing in the power of protest in the pursuit of justice. Sarojini Naidu was also known as the Nightingale of India, was given this title for her remarks dealt with a variety of subjects including laws of Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu continues to be an inspiration to all women. Sarojini Naidu will be Naidu. I am not ready to die because it requires infinitely greater courage to live. Thank you.
Man. She was the queen of Jhansi, didn't care about her own life but fought for others, fought for her nation, fought for us to preserve our lives. No doubt about how brave she was that only because of her we are standing here. So a very good morning to everybody present here. I, Amanyata, student of class 11th, is going to tell you about the great Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi, was a key figure in the Indian Rebellion of 1857. Born on November 19, 1828 in Varanasi as Manikarnika, she was known for her fearless nature and remarkable courage and skill in horseback riding, sword fighting and archery. She married Maharaja Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi and became the queen, known for her intelligence, strength and reliance. After the death of her husband, the British East India annexed Jhansi under the doctrine of lapse. Refusing to accept this injustice, Rani Lakshmi Bai raised an army and led one of the first significant revolts against British rule in 1857. Her battle cry, "Main apni Jhansi nahi dungi," became legendary. Rani Lakshmi Bai, dressed as a warrior, led her troops into battle and inspired many. Known for her fearless spirit, she fought until her last breath on June 18, 1858, near Gwalior. Her bravery and determination made. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Today, Ayushruti Verma of class 11th is going to play a role of Manu Bakar, so I would like to speak few lines about her. Manu Bakar, born on 18 Feb 2002, she is an Indian sports shooter. She has won 2 medals at the Olympic Games, 7 medals at the Asian Games and Asian Championships, and 21 medals at the World Championships and World Cups. She gained wide recognition after her performance at the 2024 Olympics, where she became the first Indian woman shooter to win an Olympics medal by winning a bronze in the 10 m pistol event.
प्रधानाचार्य जी, सम्मानित शिक्षक और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं दीपाक्षी कक्षा 11वीं की छात्रा। आज हम यहाँ एक बहुत ही खास अवसर पर इकट्ठा हुए हैं। हर साल 14 नवंबर को हम बच्चों के अधिकार, शिक्षा और उज्जवल भविष्य को देखकर इस दिन को मनाते हैं। यह दिन हमें पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी की याद दिलाता है, जिन्हें हम प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कहते हैं। उनका मानना था कि बच्चे देश का भविष्य हैं और यदि हम उनके सपनों को साकार करने में सक्षम हो तो वह हमारे देश का भविष्य भी उतना ही उज्जवल करेंगे। प्रिय दोस्तों, आज का दिन केवल हमें सम्मानित करने के लिए ही नहीं है, बल्कि कि बचपन वो समय है जब हमें खुले आसमान में अपने पंखों को फैलाने का सपना देख सकते हैं। तो हमें कभी अपने सपनों को मरने नहीं देना चाहिए और ना ही उन्हें छोटा समझना चाहिए। सम्मानित शिक्षकगण, आपका योगदान इस दिन को खास बनाता है। बच्चों को शिक्षित करना, उनको मार्गदर्शन करना और उन्हें सही दिशा दिखाना आपकी कड़ी मेहनत।
Principal sir, teachers and everybody present here. I, Ridhima Sahani, student of 11th, is going to tell you about the great freedom of Begum Harit Mahal, Adab, warrior of Q of Adab. Born in Faridabad, seen 1820, female freedom fighter, leading the battle in the first Indian War of Independence in 1857. Sports is Nawab Waris Ali Khan. So thank you, all of you.
Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, also known as Chacha Nehru. Pandit Nehru loved children dearly and believed that all children should be treasured. He advocated for children's right and education. Children are the future of our country and therefore they must be presented with the chance of dream and fulfill those dreams. On Children's Day, we should not just celebrate childhood but also reflect on the importance of children in the society. Children are like plants. Pandit Nehru once famously said, children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and
देश के निवासी सभी जन एक हैं, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक हैं। मेरा गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, मेरा गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, प्यारी प्यारी फूल गूंथे माला में एक है, प्यारे प्यारे फूल गूंथे माला में एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। कोयल की कूक न्यारी, पपीहे की टेर प्यारी, कोयल की कूक न्यारी, पपीहे की टेर प्यारी, गा रही तराना बुलबुल राग मगर एक है, गा रही तराना बुलबुल राग मगर एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। गंगा यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र कृष्णा कावेरी, गंगा यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र कृष्णा कावेरी, जाके मिल गई सागर में हुई सब एक है, जाके मिल गई सागर में हुई सब एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। धर्म है अनेक जिनका सार वही है, धर्म है अनेक जिनका सार वही है। पंथ है निराले सबकी मंजिल तो एक है, पंथ है निराले सबकी मंजिल तो एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक। श्रुति प्रिया क्लास 12, खुशी देवी क्लास 11, थर्ड प्राइज विजयम हाउस, निधि क्लास 12। मेघना क्लास 11th, मानसी क्लास 11th,
prize, Peace House. Krish, class 12. Amanita, class 11. Deepika, class 11. Dipakshi, class 11. First prize, Eco House. Harshdeep Singh, class 11. 12. Upasana Pandit, class 11. Archana Devi, class 11. Kritika Dutt, class 11. Now winners of badminton championship. This category winners Krish, Peace House, class 12. Section class 11, Peace House. From girls category, Dipakshi, Peace House, class 11. Kritika, class 11, Eco House. Thank you for everyone for being here and making this day memorable.
Clapping. Simran Bhagat, class 10. Suman Kumari, class 9. Muskan, class 9. Khushi, class 9. Rohit Verma, class 10. Vinay Yadav, class 10. Third position goes to Peace House and the participants are Akshara Jan, class 10.
क्लैपिंग करो
Khushbu, class 9.
क्लैपिंग
Ritika Radha, 9th class. Now fourth position goes to Wisdom House and the participants are Khushi Sapolia, class 10. Khushi Sapolia, class 10.
क्लैपिंग करो
A big round of applause to all of them. Ramesh, class 10. Akshit, class 10.
अच्छी क्लैपिंग
Thank you very much. And once again, happy Children's Day to all of you. God bless you all.